I'm going to show you how to make sticky toffee pudding. For the cake, you're going to need 75 grams of butter, 150 grams of self-raising flour, teaspoon of bicarbonate, 2 eggs. Now you're supposed to have muscovado sugar, but I haven't got any. I've only got light golden brown, 50 grams. And 2 tablespoons of dark treacle, but I've only got golden syrup. So mine's going to be a lighter coloured cake because of my 2 types of sugar. So you need 175 grams of dates, and you need to chop them up into little pieces. Into a measuring jug, put 200 millilitres of freshly boiled hot water. Add a tea bag and then your dates. And leave those to soak for 20 minutes. Whilst your dates are soaking, you're going to cream your butter and your sugar together. When you've creamed together your butter and your sugar, you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and stir in your golden syrup. Then add your 2 eggs. Now when you stir this into the mixture, it's going to separate a little bit, but don't worry about that. When you add your flour, it'll be fine. And then with your ½ teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, add to that your self-raising flour, stir that in, and then a little at a time, stir your flour in to the mixture. Remove your tea bag, give it a good squeeze, add ½ teaspoon of vanilla essence, and with a fork, mash all of the ingredients together. When you've given it a really good mash, add it to your mixture. And this forms the sticky toffee part. So when you've stirred your mixture together, grease and line a baking tin with parchment paper, and then place your ingredients in. And you're going to bake this on 160 electric, gas mark 4 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Your cake's baking, you're going to make the sticky toffee sauce, and for that you're going to need 300 grams of golden sugar, 200 millilitres of double cream, 150 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. Into the pan, add your golden syrup, add your 300 grams of sugar, and your 150 grams of butter, and then gently melt on a low heat. Now when it's all melted, you don't want it to bubble and boil. All you want to do is let those sugar crystals melt. As soon as all your sugar crystals have melted, add your cream, stir and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. When you've stirred in and you've let it simmer for a few minutes, then turn it right down low because you want to keep this warm but not cooking. Your pudding, when you put the skewer in, should come out clean, and that shows it's cooked. Then with your skewer, stab lots of little holes all over the cake, because this is where when we pour the toffee sauce on, it's going to dribble through the cake. Leave your cake to cool for a good 30 minutes before you put on your first layer of sauce. Cake is cooled, add half of your sticky toffee sauce to the cake, leave that to soak in and cool, and then leave the other half to pour onto your cake later on when you serve it up with some nice ice cream or something like that. There you go, bye bye.